Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel A.K.S. In this videos, I'm going to show you how to create a new Binance account step by step. I'll show you both how to create via computers and creating via mobile phone. So in these videos, you can watch both. If you have computers, you can create via computers. If you have some mobile phones, you can create via mobile phone. Okay, let's go ahead and see. First, in your web browsers, you can type Binance.com. After you typing Binance.com, you will access into official Binance website. Then you click at sign up button. You can sign up here or here. Now you click on sign up button. Here you can register by email or phone numbers. I recommend to use email because of email is good for you to access when you go abroad. You can log in or log out and easy to get codes from the email. If you use mobile phone to sign up, it's hard to get code when you go to abroad. So sign up via email is more better. So you can open your email. This is my email. You just copy your email address or write down your email address and paste into it. Please check your email correctly. Then you click on next buttons. Then it will send 6 codes into your emails. Now you will receive the code. Then you copy the code. Then you paste it here. Then you need to create a password for login. With password, you will have to create at least 8 characters, such as capital and small letters, numbers, and symbols. Now let me create for you as an example. This is my password as an example. You can make it similarly. Now you see this password, it is accepted and all text. This is an example of password you can create by your own. Then you click on next button. Here you must click on yes. Please input referral code 22581565. This is my referral code. You will receive more promotion, more events, more bonuses in the future. Then you click on next buttons. Here you have created a Binance account successfully. Here you have to verify your identities, completing KYCs. Complete the following step to verify your account in 7 minutes. It's very easy to complete KYCs. Here you choose your country name where you live. After choosing your country name, please click on continue buttons. Please click on your country names again here. Please input your first name in capital letters. Check your English name in your document or government identity card. At middle name, you don't have to put it, just skip it. Here is last name. Please input it correctly according to your documents. Here you write down your years of birth. You can check it at your documents. Here is the month you were born. Here is the date, all following the document. After completing all the information, please click on continue buttons. Make sure all the information you provided are correctly without mistakes. Now let's see how to create a new Binance account via mobile phone. You must have an email in mobile phones. Then you go to Play Store or App Store to download Binance app. After download this Binance app into your mobile phone, please click on Binance app. Please click all allow for all. Please click on Add New to Crypto. Here input your email address. You can slide to check your email address again. After putting your email address, then click on next buttons. It will send 6 digits code into your email address. So go to your emails and copy the code. And paste the code here. Please create a login password. You can see my login password as an example. You can create by your own whatever you want. Then click on next button. Please click on yes. Please input referral code 2258165. With these referral codes, you will get promotion, events, and bonuses in the future. Then click on next buttons. Okay, now you have created a Binance account successfully. Then you will go to next step for verification. It is very easy to verify your identity via mobile phone. Make sure you check your country name is correctly above. Here input your information, first name and last name. Please see my inputs as an example. Then click on continue button. Please select your country name again. Then click on continue button. Here fill in your birthdays. Then click on continue buttons. Here write down your address in English. Then click continue buttons. Here input your postal code where you live in your countries. Input your city name. Then click on continue buttons. Here is to prepare your documents for verification. Then click continue buttons. Here you can choose to take picture of phones or upload existing photos. You can choose whatever you want. Then click continue to verify your identity with your document and your face verification. Once completed, you will be able to use Binance accounts. Thank you for watching these videos. Bye bye.